friends and neighbors, as we used to say at the shack. Margaret Cavella here with Fishmonger Approved. And today is Christmas Eve, so by request we're doing a smoked salmon. I got a nice Norwegian salmon from our friends at Sammy's Seafood. Put a little bit of a light spice on it. It's got a combination of spices, a little teeny bit of brown sugar. This recipe for this spice we've got on fishmongerapproved.com. Very simple spice. So the first thing I did was I got my big smoker ready. Take a look down here. I've got a firebox, and what we're using today is a Florida oak, live Florida oak wood. Started it with some charcoal, fire hot. The way you want to do salmon is you want to start out at a lower temperature and then gradually bring it up. Because what will happen if you cook it a little too hot, too fast, it's got this white stuff that'll come out of the meat, and you'll see it start to, kind of bubble up, and it's not that it hurts it, doesn't hurt the flavor at all, but it actually doesn't look very good. You want a nice presentation. So the way you do the salmon is you start lower temperature and then gradually bring it up. So the temperature right now, according to my smoke dial, is right around 160. So that's the way we're going to start it. Go ahead, and I'm going to put it in this smoker. Obviously everybody doesn't have a smoker like this, but if you got a barrel smoker or any decent kind of pellet smoker, you can do the same thing. So I'm going to put it in the middle rack here so I get a lot of airflow around the salmon. Another thing I did is I sprayed the bottom of the salmon with a little bit of cooking spray so that it doesn't stick accidentally. It's probably not going to stick on this grill anyway because it's very well seasoned, but just to be on the safe side, you don't want it to stick. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. And I'm going to let it smoke. It's going to open the door so temperature come back up to about 160. I'm going to gradually let the temperature over the next hour or so rise up, and I don't really want to get it much above 250 for the whole duration of the smoke. So with the weather today, it's windy a little bit, we just got to kind of keep an eye on it. I'll be back in about an hour and we'll take a look at it then. So we're back at the grill. It's been a little over an hour. Smoker's still running about 160 degrees. We're going to take a look at our salmon and see how it's doing. Looks really pretty, doesn't it? Looks beautiful. So I'd say we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to let it go up a little bit in temperature. Open up the stack and just let the air blow over the coals. Bring up the heat a little bit. Take a look at our smoker box. So we're going to let it smoke for about another hour. I'm going to let the temperature rise up to 225 and finish it off. And so I'm thinking in about another hour it'll be done. So maybe about 2.5 hours total on the smoker. And we'll be back. So it's been another hour and we're back at the grill. I've been running the smoker at about 225. So we're going to go take a look at our salmon. I think it's about ready to come off the grill. You put a little glove on so I don't burn my hand. Look at that. Oh yes. It's beautiful. It's done. So I've got this pizza spatula, which comes in handy for a large piece of fish like that. We're just going to go ahead and plate it up just like that. And we're ready for our holiday meal. Merry Christmas, everybody.